Hey Finxters, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video I want to show you the 3 main benefits you get when joining the Finxter Premium membership. So the first benefit, I will quickly go over it, is the Finxter Discord Mastermind group. The second benefit is the Finxter Computer Science Academy, so getting access to all courses in the Finxter Computer Science Academy. And the third benefit is to get unlimited access to the Finxter puzzle app. To learn Python, to train your skills, and also to certify your skills, so you get access to downloadable PDF certificate that prove your skills to your employer. Okay, so let's start with the first. The Finxter Discord Mastermind group. It's a very active group. So currently we have like 36 premium members online. There's always something going on in the group, and we have like offline like hundreds of students who are still there. These are all active premium members. Not all premium members join, but many do. And you see like first like we have different threads, different text channels. If you haven't used Discord before, you probably don't know this. So we have different threads, like the welcome thread. Here I give you like some, there are no rules. The rules are just be nice and helpful. But we have also like different threads, like the Mastermind group, where we just talk about different business ideas, different strategies. We talk about like learning approaches and everything. We just like the culture of the group is very positive, and I want you also, if you join the Finxter Premium membership, to adhere to this positivity, because I want to maintain the positivity in the group. We are very supportive. We share successes and failures with each other. We share great resources with each other. We build each other up. If you are currently not motivated, we try to motivate each other. So it's a very positive culture. We try to just become more successful and reach higher levels of success. And this is a mastermind group. We also have a freelancing group. So this is if you want to make some money on the side as a freelancer, or like as a coding business owner, single person startup online. So if you just need to pay the bills, the freelancing is a great way. Freelancing is also a great way to scale your income to 6-figure levels if you are currently not there. You can do so with freelancing alone. But we also have another channel. It's called Scalable Biz. If you want to create like a more scalable business, like that can make you like really large income. Like currently, the last video I shared was about startup.ai, so creating an AI startup, a software as a service business with a subscription free fee. And I like, this is like, there's always like we are talking about things that are currently very relevant. For example, AI, using ChatGPT and using OpenAI and large language models, open source large language models as well, to create scalable business systems. Here currently Aaron shared some interesting links and interesting business ideas. We also have a group called Weekly Goals, so we want to be accountability partners. So we share some weekly goals. And like, for example, the last weekly goal was shared by Skusku. He has just finished his master's degree in computer science, and now he wants to make some income. So you see, it's not only for beginners. We have a lot of content for beginners as well. It's also for beginners, but beginners also will be connected with experienced coders. So they will actually pull their experienced coders, will share their insights, and everybody has something to share. Everybody has some value to give and to contribute to the group. And this makes the group actually stronger than the sum of the individual parts, right? This is like synergy, textbook synergy. And Skusku, he wanted to make some money. Finishing his degree, he wanted to make some money with Python, and to help him reach this, I was actually inviting him to do a first gig for Finxter, so he can cross off his goals. So we help each other reach those goals and reach successes in the group. We also have like some crypto channels, crypto Python channels, and AI, and everything that is relevant. If you want your own, like if you want another thread and other people also agree that we should have a thread, then you will just contact me and I will create the thread for you guys. And I would just want to be an active, helpful group where we share success, share failures, and support each other to reach higher levels of success that we couldn't reach alone. And even if you are an introverted person, Discord is perfect for you, because now you can just chat with persons. You don't need to talk to them one by one, but you still have the benefits of the group. So this is really huge, and it's a huge benefit of the Finxter Premium membership. The second benefit, as huge as the first one, is the Finxter Computer Science Academy. So we launch very relevant practical courses on the Academy. The goal is not to teach you random skills. The goal is to teach you those skills that are important for you to reach success in practice, to create some practical value for yourself, for other people, to make money. So for example, if you look at the courses, it's the first one is the Finxter Freelancer course. It's the best-selling Finxter Freelancer course. Previously, we sold it separately to the premium membership for $347. Now it's included in the Finxter Computer Science Academy, so you can check out this course. And yeah, the great thing. So if you scroll down, you can like start the course. These are the different modules. You can check out what is in the modules. Actually, and as a premium member, you have access to all those courses. And you see that the topics of the courses, they concern freelancing, business creation, ChatGPT, like non-hyped exploration, a practical developer's guide to using ChatGPT for arcade game development. So we have basic programming skills if you need to refresh those, like mastering sets in Python and different Python data structures. This one is also a Finxter flagship course, a mastering prompt engineering course. Prompting is the new programming, and as a coder or as a tech person, you need to understand and master the art of prompting. And prompting can help you create scalable coding projects quickly and efficiently. And we have like practical projects in one lesson, like small projects that help you, for example, integrate ChatGPT as a backend in intelligence or logic in your applications. So how you can use it and leverage the infinite intelligence provided by OpenAI and large language models in your own applications to create very intelligent applications like scalable business systems. Then we have like basic programming stuff like Golang, learning mastering Golang. And we have crypto stuff about Solidity, programming language, a lot of ChatGPT, blockchain development, Streamlit, how to create web applications, and beautiful looking GUIs in Python. You can also combine those. You see, like if you, for example, have finished the course ChatGPT at the Heart, the course here above, somewhere here, this one, and you have finished the Streamlit password generator, then you can use those two skills to create a beautiful looking user interface connected with ChatGPT, backend logic, and create an application, a scalable business system. And of course, as you do this, as you learn those courses, you will find help and support in the Finxter Discord Mastermind group. Maybe you will even find business partners or other partnerships, like informal partnerships with other people helping you reach success. So it's like this is the idea of this combination of the Finxter Discord Mastermind group and the Finxter Course Academy. You can actually lever, like those play together. Again, we have synergy between those two benefits, right? So the academy makes actually everybody more skilled and gives everybody something to talk about in the Finxter Discord Mastermind group. It gives them ideas to apply in their own lives and own businesses. And then you have the Discord Mastermind group, which makes the courses more valuable because now you can actually like talk about the contents in the courses that you use. And we add new courses every month or so. Usually I add courses. Like usually it goes like this: somebody in the Discord Mastermind group struggles with something, or maybe has a certain skill level, a certain skill set that is valuable for other people in the group, and then I ask them to create a course. I pay them for the course, and then I put the course on the academy, and everybody gets better this way, right? And the third benefit is also great. It's on the Finxter puzzle app, where you can solve puzzles in your skill level. You can track your skill level over time. You can solve puzzles to become better. The puzzles will be in your skill level. So for example, this one, now we have some lists. We append some stuff to the list, and we check if the lists are the same. And they should actually. They are not the same probably. So I put in something. I actually haven't checked it. So this was just as a guest. I haven't actually done the puzzle. And yeah, you see now the output was correct, and my skill have improved a little bit. And we also have Hall of Fame and everything. And if you have access, like premium access to the Finxter app, you get unlimited puzzles, so you can solve all hundreds of puzzles. We add more puzzles every day. You see, like we have an ad-free experience, so you don't, like with the non-premium account, we have some ads here. Ads for our books and everything, but yeah, like you get a distraction-free puzzle experience. As a premium member, you can solve unlimited puzzles as a premium member, and you can also download the course certificate as a premium member by just clicking this button. And you will see that we will then fill in the we will then fill in the number of puzzles you have solved and your name and everything, right, and your level. And I also have like a signature, so you can download those certificate as well. And I haven't mentioned it, every course of ours has actually a downloadable certificate. So if you, for example, check out the Mastering Prompt Engineering course, now if I scroll down, in the last lesson of each course, I have a lesson called Download Your Personalized Course Certificate PDF. So you can download dozens and dozens of those course certificates for each course you complete. And you see you get like a certificate of completion from Finxter. I have signed it myself, Dr. Christian Meyer, and you can use it to apply for gigs, freelancing gigs, to build your portfolio, to apply for employment, for your dream job, or do anything, whatever you like. You can also put it in a folder and just use the certificate of completion to brag in front of your friends, right? So these are the main benefits. Again, we have the Finxter Discord Mastermind group. We have the Finxter Computer Science Academy with downloadable certificate, and we have the Finxter Puzzle app with unlimited puzzles and also downloadable certificates and ad-free experience. And yeah, and if you and you can join simply by clicking the button below, and here select your country. It will probably automatically select your country. So say you are in the United States, you pay $99. You pay $99 in all countries. It will automatically calculate the fee, like it will convert the $99 to your local currency, and it will also add some taxes if taxes apply. But if you are a business owner or if you are a freelancer, you can actually deduct this as a business expense, so you don't have to pay any sales tax. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, you can join. I would be happy to see you in the Discord Mastermind group, talk to you personally, have you in the community. Thanks for watching the video, and see you soon. Bye.